saved for last year's farm repairs. He spent $135.75 for fence repairs. He also bought fertilizer twice a year for $32.25 each time. He wants to make some repairs on the barn that will cost $350. How much more money will Tommy need to make the repairs? Is this a single step or a multi-step problem? Multi-step problem. Let's find some words in there that's going to tell us what kind of multi-steps we're going to be taking. Somebody raise their hand if they can tell me one of those steps. Brianna. How much more? Thank you. We have to have that third word in there, right? How much more tells us to subtract. Remember our key words, okay? There's something else we're going to be doing besides subtract, or there might be more subtractions. What are we going to do? Twice. Why? What's twice tell us to do? To multiply. What are you multiplying if you see the word twice? You're multiplying by what number? 2. Multiplying by 2. What are we going to be multiplying by 2 up here? What number? The $32.25 because we actually bought that twice. Okay? Something else we're going to be doing. Jordan. Each. Okay, each would have told us also what? Becca said divide. Who agrees with Becca on this question, on the word each right here that we're going to divide? Becca agrees with Becca. Anybody else? Who does not agree with Becca? Now who can tell me why you have your hand up in the air and you don't agree with Becca? Ty.
Because he did it twice and then we got to multiply it.
Okay, he did it twice, so we got to multiply it. There's another reason we've talked about over and over and over. Christian. It is not in the question sentence. If each is in the question sentence, it usually means to divide. When you find it up in the upper part of your question, then it's going to tell you to multiply. Okay? One more thing up here that we're not seeing. Michaela.
We need to add.
What are we going to add?
We're going to add $135.75 plus the 2 times he bought the fertilizer.
Right, because in each case we're doing what? Spending. Everybody hold your hand up if this is your money. If you spend money, is your amount of money going to go up or is it going to go down? It's going to go down. So if we're going back a couple of weeks ago to integers, is that a positive 135.75 or a negative 135.75, Michaela? It is a negative because it's making our balance go down. So she's exactly right. We've got to add this amount to just the 32.25, to the 32.25 2 times. That's right, times 2. So everybody go ahead and work on that question. When you have an answer, thumbs up. Everybody working on the question. That's the kicker at the very end. That's right. You got to figure out what to do with your 350 at the end. Thank you, Thor and Ty.